Suddenly, you are not thinking, you are reacting. That is panic.
Panic is not weakness. Panic is biology. It is your brain trying to keep you alive, but sometimes it does the exact opposite. In this video, you will learn what panic really is, what it does to your thinking, and how to override it. Because in a real crisis, your biggest enemy is not the situation. It is the version of you that loses control inside it. Panic is fear with speed. It is the brain's emergency mode designed for one job: survive the next few seconds. That is why panic is powerful, and that is why it is dangerous. Panic does not care about long-term survival. It cares about immediate action. In the wild, that might mean running from a predator. In modern disasters, panic can make people run into traffic, forget their children, fight strangers over supplies, or freeze in place when they need to move.
Panic is not just an emotion, it is a full-body takeover. When it happens, your brain changes how it works. Inside your brain is a fast alarm system built to detect danger instantly. When it triggers, it tells your body to move now and think later. Stress chemicals flood your system. Your heart rate rises. Blood moves toward your muscles. Your senses sharpen. This is why people feel stronger in danger. But there is a cost. Your brain pulls power away from the part responsible for logic and planning, the part that compares options, slows decisions, and keeps you calm. That is why people make irrational choices during panic. Not because they are unintelligent, but because their brain is running a different program. Panic is predictable, and anything predictable can be managed. Most people respond to fear in one of three ways. The first is fight, aggression, confrontation, control. The second is flight, running, escaping, grabbing whatever's close and moving fast. The third is freeze, doing nothing, pausing, stalling. Freeze is your brain buying time, but in real emergencies, freeze can turn into paralysis. The goal is not to eliminate fear. That is impossible. The goal is to move from panic into control. When panic starts, it feeds itself. You feel fear, then fear the fear, then your body worsens, then your thoughts spiral. So the first skill is interruption. Control your breathing to control your brain. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, breathe out slowly for 6 seconds. Do this 3 times. A longer exhale tells your nervous system that you are not sprinting and not dying. In seconds, your thinking begins to return. The second skill is naming the fear. When you label an emotion, you create distance from it. You stop being the panic and become the observer of it. Instead of "I'm going to die," the thought becomes "I'm having a fear response." That shift brings clarity back online. The third skill is giving your brain a simple mission. Panic overwhelms you with too many choices, so you simplify. One mission, one sentence. Get to shelter, find my family, secure water, warm the room, exit calmly. Not 10 goals, 1. Then ask yourself, what is the next best step? Not the perfect step, not the heroic step, just the next one. This is how professionals think under pressure. Now, here is a framework you can use in almost any crisis. The 5-5-5 rule. Ask yourself what matters in the next 5 seconds. What matters in the next 5 minutes? What matters in the next 5 hours? Panic only sees seconds. Survival requires time. This structure keeps you grounded and oriented. Another danger people overlook is group panic. Fear spreads. Emotions are contagious. In crowds, people mirror each other. One person runs, others follow. That is how chaos grows. If you are with others, your role becomes clear. Be the calm signal. Look at me. Breathe. Put on your jacket. Stay close. Your calm becomes their anchor. That is leadership. Most people believe courage means no fear. That is wrong. Real courage is fear with control. I feel panic, but I will not let it drive my decisions. Even experienced people feel fear. The difference is they practice switching from reaction to action, from chaos to steps. That is what you are learning. Panic is normal, but panic is not leadership. When crisis hits, your goal is not to become fearless. Your goal is to become functional. Control your breathing. Name the fear. Give your brain one mission. Use the 5-5-5 rule. Be the calm signal for others. Survival is not only physical. Survival is psychological. Stay calm, stay sharp, stay alive.